What's going on, guys? I keep accidentally turning the phone off. There's always a problem that I have with this phone. I keep ending the videos and it's just messed up with me. So here we go again. Through all this intro. There's my cousin over there. We've been showing dogs and stuff. My little brother. We're aiming for birds and stuff. That's our goal for this video today. Ashton, get that. Oh. What? Yeah. Yeah, but we've already went through all the dogs. Missy, she's that dog right there. That beautiful dog. She's a very nice dog.
Hey, Missy. There goes not the nicest dog in the world, but he's still good. Bevo.
Bevo, he's over there.
He's nice.
In the doghouse.
He likes his pigs.
He loves cuddling with pigs, but then kills them. He likes cuddling so much he kills them. And then his cuddling is, types of cuddling are called biting. That's his type of cuddling. And I know, he's not a very nice dog. Ashton, you go ahead. He's not a very nice dog, but he's a pretty good dog. And then over there we got Remy. That dog right there, she's kind of blurry. You can see her, right? And then Waylon over there laying down, that black and white dog. So they're pretty good dogs. The pistol that my little brother has, it landed earlier on the tree. Should show him that pistol right there. It's a pretty nice pistol, but I'm trying to get it to work.
It's not wolf.
And here's Bandy, the sweet dog. And then there's another sweet dog over there. And then there's a dog named Oakley in the house. She's a very, very sweet dog. Okay? We went all the way back there in my last video. We almost got done with it.
And
I'm just going to keep
we were flipping the knife.
Yeah, yesterday we were flipping that knife. And Ashton got a freaking high score of millions.
3.
Yeah, I know. No, 4.
3.
But KK, no, 4. But KK is being retarded right now. He's going to break his neck.
What the heck?
We were chasing RC cars, and we might do that in this video. Depends if we get bored. But yeah, I should just keep my hands away from the buttons. So I keep doing that, and it goes teleport. What are you doing? Cute dog. Our video's going. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice gun stick.
Oh, no.
See his gun right there.
Freaking full.
Here, Ashton, I'm gonna trust you with the phone, cause
Hey,
you better.
Give the gun bullet.
That's a Nerf bullet.
No.
Well,
No, it's not.
we might do videos with. We might be shooting pellet guns. I mean, yeah, pellet guns definitely, but we're gonna be shooting Nerf guns, having Nerf wars. In the last video, see that shed? There's a shed right there. You see the doors? We might explore through there. I actually showed it in the last video, but of course I had to press a button. And then there's that shed, and there's these sheds. There's these deer sheds.
This bullet goes to this gun. Look at it. Look at this. Putting it.
Dude, you're stupid.
No. Huh?
What the frick is like?
Boom.
It's not even doing nothing. Okay.
See? Yeah, it
Wow.
definitely shot.
Can't believe Ashton's actually more powerful than a gun.
No.
Oh yeah, try that. No, don't. Well, we were playing with this gate yesterday.
Oh, you want to do that?
No, maybe we'll do it in another video.
I love it.
Like, there's this black button that you press to open it and close it. Well, we were standing at the end of that road. We acted like it was the zombie apocalypse, and we pressed the button. And then y'all had to make it.
It's like a certain spot because it doesn't close that slow.
It closed slowly.
So we had to keep on.
Like, we're running like this. Before it's like closing like this, we're running, and we have to make it inside before the zombies get us.
Dude.
And I didn't make it. I died. I got eaten.
Yesterday, I barely slid in there. My arm almost got stuck.
What? KK's like out of this video now. What the frick?
Yeah.
Not anymore. He ain't. He's in the video.
Oh, I know a good.
Here, I'll trust you with the phone, Ashton.
Well, you gotta have to trust him. You don't trust yourself.
No, I don't. Wait, I think I can set the phone up right here.
Okay, I got a good spot.
Ha! It's set up. Hi!
Okay, can you hold this for fast so that I can get comfortable?
We're showing guns.
What?
We're showing guns. Get off that fence.
Alright. Really? Me?
Me?
That could break up. That could break the what? Open it more. Oh. Well, it's already been covered. So like 30 minutes. There you go. Let's see how powerful this thing is.
No. Dada, come on. No, don't. You're freaking retarded, Ashley. You're gonna die. I know that. And we might act like dogs. Me and KK, we had some daughters yesterday.
Oh my god.
That's one of my daughters, Mandy. That cute little black dog that I showed you. Not trying to be racist.
Yeah, I can feel that. I can feel your hand right now.
No! Wait! Frick you.
Punch the
Do it! Just kidding, don't do it.
I'll do it.
What the frick is behind?
I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Yeah, put it. Shoot me, do it!
Hold on.
No! Point it the. Shoot me, do it. See, that's my daughter. We might be using videos, we might use the call.
I'm gonna need to bring my gun over here because this one doesn't.
Hopefully we can make a successful video because I have problems with that.
Hold on, let me call mom.
Why you calling mom?
To tell her to bring my Nerf gun.
Dude, we're leaving.
Nerf gun. Nerf gun.
We're leaving.
I know, but if
She doesn't have to bring an Nerf gun, no. If y'all want to add me on Snapchat, KK has Snapchat, his name is Mimi or Clayton Johns if he's on. Clayton Johns. He has a
underscore lane 12.
Clayton underscore lane 12, that's his. Mine is JRM Gaming.
Mom.
JRM Gaming underscore 2005. So y'all can look me up and add me. You can send me. Y'all can send me stuff in the mail. I just don't want to tell y'all my address. Y'all figure it out. I don't know.
Y'all ain't gotta know our address.
Yeah, y'all can't really get out here. There's secured gates.
It's in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it's in the middle. We're in the middle of nowhere. Oh, okay. There's a bird.
Jason did this. And then this people ain't walking.
Oh, I'm gonna set on a nail.
Okay.
Love you, Mom. Bye. Okay, guys, getting a bird right now. Okay, 8 minutes into the video. How we're gonna get good. So yeah, please send us notifications, like, subscribe, please. I'm begging y'all. I just really wanna. My family's poor right now. My aunt, she lost her house because my aunt's husband put his hands on her and like she doesn't live there anymore. We're trying to kick Cody out. But my aunt might get a new apartment, so if y'all can please subscribe and like, y'all can get me that money. That'd be great. I just really feel bad for my aunt. I really want her to have a place to stay. Her son, which doesn't listen at all, he's probably in there asleep right now or watching TV. Please, guys, if y'all can send me money or give me a lot of subscribers for money, please do that. What?
Why does the thing did not get a P.O. box in? So, P.O., what the heck?
Oh yeah, so please give like and subscribe, give all notifications. Oh, press on that notification bell.
You ain't the best at YouTube videos, are you?
No, I'm not. I just want to help. I just want to help Mary.
That's why I don't want to do it.
I'm gonna get better, guys. Y'all just comment on my video, on our videos, or do what y'all want us to do. Just nothing illegal, guys. We're not gonna do nothing illegal. So, if whatever y'all want us to do out here, we will. We just can't. It just has to be around here, around this yard. So yeah, if you if you want us to go look in the shed in our next video, KK found $5 on a gold card last time we went in there, so yeah, we can get money in there. And we can go do stuff. I might make a YouTube video because my cousin will take us on a Ranger. Might go down to the dump. There's a dump over there. It's the type of dumps you throw trash in. And then apparently you light it on fire and it all turns to ashes. And the ashes blow away and then you just refill it. I get how it works, but y'all probably didn't get me right there. Yeah. No! Don't shoot. Oh, okay. It's a nice four-wheeler. KK's old house. We used to always ride that around the yard. It was fun. It was a nice Ford. This is a nice house. I just have good memories with the last ones. I don't really know what to talk about, but let's try to get to shooting. Here, Ashton, you want to be my cameraman again? Make sure not to press the power button or either of these.
I know.
Please don't. Please.
Right.
Alright, for the last, guys, I'm going to get to shooting.
Let's set up some targets
right now. Let's set up some targets.
Yeah, because the only button that's actually been ready this much time is that dude right there.
Yeah,
Look at that face.
I've been talking to you.
Look at your face. Alright, yeah, look at it. I like what's all it.
Hey, can somebody hold my gun right
Fine.
now? I'm in a very uncomfortable position.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful gun.
I know, right? Look at this beautiful, beautiful face.
Oh my gosh.
It's
so beautiful, I know.
Okay, let's go back there.
The national show off.
Come on, Ashton.
Hold up, Jason. Hold on.
They have a nice little fire pit. Oh! Have fires on cold days, boys.
But, well, a lock's missing.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I found the lock.
Alright, let's go. Jason, what do you do? We're gonna go over there.
Right there?
We're setting up targets. Oh, okay. Hurry up, because the video's about to end.
Yeah, there's only 1 more minute and 10 seconds.
We can do it. Sorry, guys. I didn't. This was not as long as I thought it would be.
Hey,
I'll make more. And
most of them aren't gonna be
We'll
like
watch
this,
the-
probably. Yeah, I know, but I don't care. Look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Do you think I'd care? Look at them.
okay, no one cares about your shoes. We don't have a new one.
Hold on. Is there a bottle back here or something like that? You want to use a bottle? Oh, never mind.
I want to shoot. Come on, hurry. Hurry, guys. I'm not in my best clothes today.
Hey, KK, what do you want that gun sound?
Come on, baby.
Come on, doggy. Run. Run, little
you.
doggy. Oh,
Benny, move.
oh, Bandy.
Sorry, guys. The video's about to end.
It ends in 5, 4,
Bye.
3,
Please like
2,
and subscribe.